let's check our answers and make sure that you graphed correctly. Okay, so while I have just like a generic number line, we only have to have 3 numbers on here. So we need 1 to be on here. So we'll have a number to the left and right. This is going to be an open circle, and we are going to shade to the right. 2 3/4, so we're not quite to 3. This would be like 2.75. Okay, so we're going to be closer to 3 than we are to 2. That's going to be an open circle. And we are going to shade to the left, right? Less than tells us to shade to the left. Now be careful with your negatives here, right? We need -1 to be to the right and -3 to the left. This is going to be a filled in circle, and we are shaded to the left. Number 4, we have -4, so -3 to the right and -5 to the left. This is an open circle, and we should have shaded to the right. Number 5, we have -3, so we need -2 and -4. Right, greater than or equal to tells us a filled in circle, and we are going to shade to the right. X is less than 1/2. Okay, so 1/2 is right in here. Oops, I put this on a different number line, so we're gonna have to draw an arrow here. That's okay, it'll work out fine. Okay, so if we're looking right here, this is gonna be an open circle, and we are going to shade to the left. Okay, so number 7, let's put that, I messed up, so look up here at the number line above it, right? So we'll have -1.5. So let's be careful with this one as well. Okay, we wanna go -1, and then we need to go 0.5 further, which means we don't wanna be closer to 0, we wanna be further away from 0. So we have -1.5 over here, that's an open circle, and we should have shaded to the right. 8, we need to rewrite with the variable first. So we need h is greater than 4, right? When we flip the order, we also have to flip the direction of the inequality sign. So we'll have 4, 5, and 3. This is going to be an open circle, and we will shade to the right. Number 9, again, we need to rewrite. So when we rewrite this, we also need to change the direction of the inequality sign. We need -2, -1, and -3. This is going to be a filled in circle, and we should be shaded to the right. Square root of 24, we're going to have to do a little bit of approximating here, right? We don't know the square root of 24, but we do know that the square root of 25 is 5. Okay, so we're going to have to be close to 5. Okay, we also need to rewrite this with the variable first to make sure we're shading the correct direction. So this is going to be a filled in circle that's not quite at 5. And then we are going to shade to the right.